Looking to upgrade your Melbourne home? Let's talk about adding a modern automatic gate. You know that feeling, right? Fumbling with a heavy gate in the pouring Melbourne rain? There's a much better way. So what is one? It's just a motorized gate that opens for you. Super simple, super convenient. But why do it? Well, it really boils down to three huge benefits for your home and lifestyle. First up, security. This is your first line of defense, a real deterrent for any unwanted visitors. Then, of course, there's convenience. Just imagine pulling up and opening the gate without leaving your car. And yup, it's a smart investment. It adds some serious curb appeal and can actually boost your property's value. Okay, so you really have two main choices when it comes to the type of gate, sliding or swing.
The material you pick matters a lot, too. It really comes down to style versus upkeep.
And how do you power it? You can go with standard mains power or even solar for those long driveways. Controlling it is a breeze. You can use a classic remote, a keypad, or an app on your phone. The whole process is actually pretty straightforward. It's usually broken down into 4 simple steps from start to finish. Now, this part is really key. Getting it installed by a pro is what makes it last for years. And remember, you might not even need a whole new gate. Upgrading your current one is often a great option. So when you add up the security, the convenience, and the style, what would that upgrade really mean for you?